everybody, I am Xander from FunKing3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday, and this week we're going to talk about the FK1 project. What?
What are you doing?
Sorry.
Hello everybody, I'm Xander from FunKing3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. This week, we're going to talk about some boats.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
This week's model is the Gunboat Mk.II Narwhal, created by ModelBuilderBen on Thingiverse. There'll be a link to it in the description below. This is just a handful of them that we printed, but the other ones went MIA. Zach. We even printed a big one, but that's lost as well. This one was printed in AIO Robotics PLA. This one was printed in ESUN Translucent PLA, and this one was printed in Polymaker Polylight PLA. These two were printed on the AM8. This one was printed on the Gunboat Mk.II. They were all printed with a 215-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. This model is really cool. The designer put a slot down the middle so that you can put a penny in there to act as a keel so that it stays upright. But even without the penny, it stays upright really well. And without the penny, you could skid it across the carpet or the sand at the beach. This print prints flat on the bed like this. It's designed with no overhangs and it requires no supports. So it's a very easy model. We want to experiment printing it like this on the E12 to make it bigger. If you're looking for a toy boat, I highly suggest this one. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everyone, there's a big paddle sale at the boat store. It's quite an ordeal.